Made this crunchy and very delicious granola using just 5 basic ingredients, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did it and the ingredients I used to make this granola. The very first ingredient on our list is apple. You want to go ahead to grate your apples. I'm using this manual hand grater, but you can use the stand grater if that is what you have. Just make sure that the consistency you achieve is somewhat close to what I achieved in this video. You don't want a very smooth consistency and you don't want a very rough consistency either. This consistency shown in this video is just perfect. After that was done, I proceeded to setting that aside, introducing the second ingredient, which is our coconut. Please make sure that you are using very tasty and delicious fruits for your granola. The overall deliciousness of your granola is going to be dependent on how sweet and delicious the fruits you used are. For the coconut, I shredded some and I went ahead to grate some just to add more texture to the granola. This was what everything was looking like after I was done. The third ingredient on the list is almond nuts. The fourth ingredient on the list is honey. As always, make sure you are using sweet and original honey to enhance the natural sweetness of your granola. Our fifth ingredient, of course, is our oats. I proceeded to combining everything together in a big bowl. I'm going to leave the exact measurements of everything I use in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If this is your first time coming across my video, you are very welcome. I am the chef and I share very amazing and detailed mouth-watering recipes that is going to help better your home cooking. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click on the bell-like notification button so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I went ahead to combine everything together till it is well combined. Make sure that every grain of your oats is coated with your honey before lining your baking sheet with a parchment paper. I transferred the oats mixture onto my baking sheet and just laid it flat. You can actually do this on your stove top, but I found that this oven method is much easier, so I prefer to use it every time I want to make granola. Make sure you lay your fruit, your oats and your fruit mixture flat on your baking pan. This is going to ensure that they cook evenly at the same time, so we can achieve a uniform brownness. At this point, you are already preheating your oven. You want to bake your granola in your oven until you achieve a very vibrant and beautiful color just like this. Allow to cool completely and you would have just made for yourself the most crunchy and delicious 5 ingredients granola. You can store in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag just like I did. Let me know what you think in the comment section and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.